In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Pinterest search something went wrong issue. If you're facing this problem, then the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. Next, you want to update the app to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Pinterest. Here, if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Now open it and check if the issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to clear the app cache. For that, long press on Pinterest, tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Then head back. Now tap on force stop. Then tap on OK. Now open Pinterest and see if the issue is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to check if the server of Pinterest are down. For that, open up any web browser. Now search Pinterest server. Open any reliable website such as Down Detector and check if there is any issue. If a lot of people are reporting issue, then this is a problem with the server of Pinterest. In this case, all you can do is wait until they fix the issue. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.